If you're looking for a quick and easy way to collect my anonymous employee feedback, you're in the right place. I've tested all the top tools out there, and by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly how to set it up in minutes. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial for the best one linked below, so you can follow along and try it out risk-free. Now, why does this matter? Because real, honest feedback doesn't happen when people are worried about being identified. Whether you're a team leader, HR manager, or small business owner, anonymous feedback can reveal issues and ideas you'd otherwise never hear. The only challenge? Doing it. Easily. Without overcomplicated software or long setup times. That's what I'm showing you right now. After testing platforms like Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, Office Vibe, and more, my top pick for speed, ease, and effectiveness is Start Question. It's built to collect anonymous employee feedback quickly, and the UI is so simple anyone can use it without training. Once you've grabbed the free trial in the description, here's what to do. First, create a new survey and choose the anonymous feedback template. It's already optimized with the right question types, scaled responses, open comments, and optional multiple choice. Next, make sure to toggle on anonymous responses. This disables IP tracking, email collection, and anything that might identify the employee. It's crucial for trust. Then customize your question slightly. Add something like, what's one thing we could improve as a team? Or, is there anything you'd like management to know? Keep it open and simple. Don't overload with too many questions. 5 is usually the sweet spot. Now, distribute the form. Start Question gives you a simple link you can email out, drop in Slack, or even embed in your internal portal. The key here is to let employees know it's truly anonymous and will be used for positive change. Once responses come in, go to the results dashboard. It's clear, real-time, and you can filter insights by sentiment, category, or recurring themes. You'll probably be surprised at what comes up, and that's the point. You can even schedule regular surveys, monthly, quarterly, or after big projects, so feedback becomes part of your culture, not a one-off event. There's quite a key takeaway. Collecting the anonymous employee feedback isn't just about using a form, it's about creating a safe space for honesty and making it part of your rhythm. The easier and safer you make it, the more real insight you'll get, and that leads to better decisions, stronger teams, and higher morale. To recap, 1. Use a simple tool like Start Question. Link is in the description with the exclusive free trial. 2. Choose the anonymous feedback template. 3. Customize a few key questions. 4. Make sure anonymity is fully enabled. 5. Share the link and make it clear it's safe. 6. Review insights and act on them. If you want to make this easy and effective from the start, I highly recommend using the exclusive link below for the free trial. It's just for viewers of my channel, and it gives you full access to everything you saw today. Thanks for watching. Now go make feedback a superpower in your organization.